K-laser. I know about this. You know, athletes from professional baseball players to weekend warriors are getting treatment for pain this way. Teams like the New York Yankees are using laser therapy to treat players, the same drug-free treatment some locals are using to treat neck and back injuries and post-surgery pain. Dr. Jeff Rossum from Laser Center of Louisville joins me. Jeff, good to have you here.
Very nice to meet you.
That drug-free part of it is obviously quite a bonus, too.
Absolutely. That allows us to treat patients of all ages. It is a non-invasive, drug-free treatment, like you mentioned. It's pain-free.
Okay.
It's very simple to use.
Jeff, tell me some of the common conditions that you can treat with laser therapy.
Common conditions we see at the Laser Center are wrist injuries, ankles, feet, plantar fasciitis, a lot of arthritic patients, knees, wrist, hands, and any sports injury. Anybody who has any type of running, repetitive injury in the wrist or the neck or back.
Or could this be ongoing radiating pain that's been bothering people? Maybe they've been trying, different drugs or whatever, and it's not doing the trick.
Absolutely. Like low back pain with radiating sciatic pains, we get great results with that. Patients who have had multiple surgeries, we also have good results with patients with those kind of conditions.
I've been down that road too when I've tried, acupuncture and traction and all kinds of things with my back situation. And I know that laser therapy is another great alternative for you. Again, no drug treatment means you're sort of free from any of the worries of that.
Absolutely. Like I said, pain-free, drug-free, non-invasive. We can treat patients of all ages and conditions across the board pretty much. The thing with the laser is you can try it out on basically any injury that you have.
All right, and the first visit is free, I understand, too.
Absolutely. We allow any patient with any condition to come in and just try it out for yourself. No strings attached, just come in and try it out for yourself.
All right, the body is its own healing mechanism, so you are essentially speeding that up.
Absolutely. What the K-laser does is it promotes natural healing of the body. It uses specific wavelengths, infrared and red wavelengths, that penetrate into the tissue. What this does is increases blood flow, increases oxygenation into the cell that crosses the cell membrane, and what that does is allows the cell to reproduce at a faster rate.
Okay, good. So when your kid says, I can't help you pull weeds today, my arm hurts from softball, you take them in for a visit, and all of a sudden, their weed pulling skills are back.
Absolutely. By the next day, they're out there pulling weeds for you.
Well, we're in this season, though, where people get into sports a lot, and obviously, if you get some of the aches and pains, try this K-laser therapy and at Laser Center of Louisville, and hope that pulls you through. Appreciate it, Jeff.
Thanks
a ton.
Appreciate it.
All right, to learn more, you can call Laser Center of Louisville at 804-2595, area code 502-804-2595. The website is lasercenteroflouisville.com, and the first visit to the center is free.